Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Tuesday, October 14th. Well, the market opened with a bang. You know, all these people were afraid they were going to miss a big move. They could have been the same people who were screaming, "Get me out, get me out, get me out" on Friday morning. And now they figure, well, I made a mistake, I better get back in. So they sold them badly on Friday, and now they're buying them badly on Tuesday mornings. Well, after a 400-point rally, the market rolled over and pulled back like it should have. And all those people who did all that buying are now sitting back wondering if it was the right thing to do. And this is one of the reasons why I always say to all my readers, don't chase them. Don't chase after them. I don't care how good the news is or how many other people are chasing them. I don't care how much they're up. When you chase them, they're always going to pull back on you. So we had a 700-point move in the Dow again today. From the top of the move to the bottom of the move was 700 points. Now, the jury is still out in this market. You know, I still don't see any kind of bullish formation. If you had to ask me my view of the indexes right now, I have to say they're still negative looking. We think we're going to put in some sort of a positive formation, but it hasn't formed yet. And I think what we need is we need to get these swings from 700 and 800 and 900 points a day down to maybe something like 100 or 200 point swings a day. We need the market to calm down a little bit. The market's like a cat on a hot tin roof. All the moves are exaggerated. The markets are very thin. So when we start to see some calmness or stability come back into the market, where we only start to see 100 and 200 point swings during the day and not these 600, 700, and 800 point swings, then maybe the picture might clear up a little bit, because as of right now, we're in technical limbo, I'll call it. So that's where we stand. What I would like to see, what I think I would like to see happen is, and what I think the market's trying to do, is it's going to pull back and test its lows. And if it holds up after it tests its lows and puts in some nice little bullish-looking formation, then I'll say, well, maybe we've got a chance to rally. But with these wild swings back and forth, I mean, no one can get a handle on this market. So we need to wait till it calms down a little bit. Okay, what else happened today? Well, I locked in a 12% gainer in Radio Shack. Left a little on the table, but that's okay. We left that for somebody else. So I have no new ideas because, like I said, technical limbo we're in. And until I'm, really sure that the stock wants to rally or go down, I'm not going to highlight it. So the only thing we have to look at tonight is our major indexes. All the major indexes put in reversal days. They got up to an area where they ran into supply, and they pull right back down again. So we're going to need a number of these days back and forth. We're looking for a successful test of the lows, and if we get a low, all bets are off. So we'll have to see. We're in a waiting and watching mode. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of the indexes, and I'll show you what I think the market's going to do, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I need more evidence. So let's take a look at the major indexes. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at the Dow. It's a daily chart. A little fuzzy. Hold on a second. That's better. Okay, down big, bouncing back, basically filling that vacuum that I talked about. That's what I believe this rally is all about. I don't think it has any other technical merits other than it's filling the vacuum, which is something that the market had to do. Okay, as far as future direction, this isn't telling me anything yet, because it just, there's not enough info here. There's no pattern. This could turn out to be just a kickback rally, like this one was over here. We don't know yet. That's why I have to wait. What I would like to see is a pullback to this area, hold and not break that low. A break of that low would, would just add more confusion. But if it holds that low and is able to put in a sideways pattern or a basey looking pattern, then maybe we might get something going on the upside. But as of right now, we've got to watch. Dow Jones Transportation Average, kickback rally, reversal day. I'd like to see the same thing here. I'd like to see a pullback without a violation of that low there. Am I going to get this? I don't know, but there's a possibility. Russell 2000, reversal day. I'd like to see a pullback and not violate that low right there. SPY, Standard & Poor's 500, ran into resistance, also put in a reversal day. Reversal days are not necessarily a catastrophe day, but it's not a bullish day. So for the market to rally up and then put in some kind of a bearish reversal day does not speak all that great for this market so far. You would think with all the hullabaloo that was going on that the market's seen its bottom, we're going to go flying right back up again. But as we found out, at a certain level up here, there's overhead stock again, and they pushed it back down again. QQQQs, similar picture. This is a very big reversal day. Also, what I would like to see happen here is a pullback to this area right here and not violate it. So we have to wait. There's nothing more I can do. I'm not going to make any kind of calls with all these wild swings going on. We need to get the swings back down to normal 100-point move or 150-point move, and the picture has to kind of condense a little bit. Okay, so that's about all I have to tell you tonight. That's my view, and until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.